Hello everyone. I ordered some stuff from SD Bullion and I wanted to share what I got. To my surprise, they lumped two orders together. I had looked everywhere for one of these coins, but I couldn't find it. In fact, I thought it might have even been lost. But it turns out that each of the orders had the same tracking number. This unboxing is gonna be a bonanza, because I got two orders in the same shipment. Normally, I like to buy what I could afford. I have a certain amount of money I allow myself to put into these physical metals every month. I don't want to buy more than what I could afford to spend. Most people would call that disposable income, but I call it savings. I don't want to run into a situation where I can't pay my electric bill or my internet service, and that I either have to starve or worse, liquidate one or more of these beauties, potentially at a loss depending on the market. But I don't want to do that, because when I buy these, I take a vow, a special kind of vow. We are gathered here today to witness the union of these coins and myself. These beauties have a thick veil over them. I have to unveil them. I can imagine a bride being this hard to unveil in real life, but that would mean that her family doesn't approve. Oh, why, SD Bullion, are you objecting to this union? Because you want to keep these beauties safe? I promise I will take very good care of them, and keep them in the proper protective casing, maybe even till death do us part. I do apologize to the bride-to-be that our honeymoon will have to be domestic, for obvious reasons, including taxation and customs. Now, the the featured coin of today is this beautiful gold 1 ounce Austrian Philharmonic. It looks quite beautiful, like the way that you would think of the music of Mozart. When I think of these Austrian Philharmonic series, I have mixed feelings overall. Sure, it's beautiful. It makes us think of classical music written to perfection, like the way Mozart did. I do have one issue with the Philharmonic, and that is its size. It's a really weird size. It's a 37mm diameter. That does not mean that the weight is not what they say it is. I measured the dimensions, I measured the weight, and the story checks out. It is as large and heavy as advertised, but it's a weird size. This is the only coin I know where the size is a 37mm diameter for both silver and gold. These 1/4 ounce Australian gold kangaroos are very nice. They are beautiful. They look just like the 1/2 ounce and the 1 ounce coin, but they are a smaller denomination. You want to know why I got these? It's because they were cheaper at the time than buying a single 1/2 ounce gold coin. I get the same gold content, and I could divide it up more easily, and it costs me less money? Count me in! Since this brought me below $1,000 for my invoice, I decided to get the two 1 ounce Austrian silver Philharmonics as well. That might not seem like a lot now, but it adds up over time, and that can go a long way. This will always be valuable. Both the gold and the silver will always be valuable. The only thing that would make it lose value completely or very significantly is if it started raining gold and silver asteroids. Now, there are asteroids in our solar system that have enough valuable metal content that they are worth quintillions of dollars. And for those of you who don't know what that is, that's a 1 with 18 zeros behind it. But those are not currently feasible for mining, and they're still pretty rare. For now, we have to get what we can while we still can. We need to get our gold and silver before the whales come and eat all of it up. History is told by the winners, and the rich usually win. The rich, such as the central banks, tend to buy things like gold so that they have something that's valuable in case of the worst SHTF you-know-what hits the fan moment. I hope this was informative. Please be sure to check back in the future for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.